In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal account and even get a $10 bonus along the way. PayPal is a widely used platform for online transactions, making it easier to send and receive money across the globe. Let's walk through the simple process of setting up your account. First, you'll want to head over to the PayPal website. This is where it all begins, and you can either type in the URL yourself or look for a direct link if you have one handy. Once you're on the PayPal homepage, the next step is to sign up using a referral link. This is crucial if you're aiming for that $10 bonus, as it often requires you to join through a specific link offered by PayPal or a partner. As you proceed, you'll be prompted to decide between a personal or business account type. A personal account is suited for individual usage, such as online shopping and personal transfers. On the other hand, a business account provides tools for sellers and businesses to manage their transactions. Consider your needs carefully and select the one that's right for you. After selecting your account type, click on the Get Started button. This will lead you to the registration form. Here, you'll need to fill out your personal details. This includes your full name, email address, and a strong password. Be sure to use a password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols to maintain the security of your account. With your basic details in place, the next phase of the process is to enter additional information. This typically involves providing your phone number for verification purposes and your address for account security. Remember, accuracy here is essential, as PayPal uses these details to verify your identity and keep your account secure. Once you've entered all the necessary information, PayPal will ask you to link a payment method. You can opt to connect a bank account, a credit, or a debit card. This step is essential if you plan to use PayPal for transactions, as it facilitates both sending and receiving money. If you choose to link a bank account, be prepared for a small verification process where PayPal deposits tiny amounts into your account, which you'll need to confirm later. After you've successfully linked your payment method, take a moment to review all the information you've entered. It's always good to double check everything for any typos or errors to ensure your account is set up correctly. Confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a verification email from PayPal. Clicking the verification link in this email finalizes your registration, and you'll be all set to start using your PayPal account. By registering through a referral link and completing all these steps accurately, you should soon see the $10 bonus credited to your account. Enjoy the convenience of PayPal as you manage your online transactions seamlessly.